Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Ainnur Diyanah binti Ahmad Zaini. I was born on 4 December 2001. I come from Tanjong Karang Selangor. I participate in speech competition in primary school, excellent in arts project in secondary school. I good in Microsoft Office, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Animate and Adobe Illustrator. I fast to learn, high spirit and friendly person. My career objective is find experience to improve my personal performance, productivity and quality. I joined 5-factor Cadet campaign in secondary school, joined Civil Defense Force JPAM in secondary school.